Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and then in this area swipe down again and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is right over here. Once you see it first time around, I recommend holding it and then clicking on Details. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Once you have gone through these options and customized them, close this up, find the toggle once again, and this time around just simply tap on it, and you can choose either to turn it on permanently or basically till you turn it off for a specified amount of hours or until basically next day. So I think, right? I don't know what day today is, to be honest, but yeah, I presume this is next day. So you have three options. Once you select either one of those, click on turn on, and that's about it. Now if you select the first one, you will need to remember to turn it off, and to do so, just find the toggle once you remember about it and tap on it once more to disable it. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.